Oh, what a tone. It seems to go on forever. Hi, I'm Robert Estrin, and this is livingpianos.com, your online piano store with a really unusual piano. A Steinway Concert Grand Model D, the Centennial Edition, built in 1880, completely and magnificently restored in 2018. Wait till you hear this. You've never heard a Steinway Concert Grand that sounds like this. The soundboard's got remarkable crown. Everything's been reworked in the piano. I'll tell you more about it. I'm going to start off just with the opening, a Bach's Italian Concerto, and then I'll tell you some more. What a sound! And this gorgeous pyramid mahogany high gloss finish. The piano is restored with no expense spared. It's got the finest pin block with Baldock woods, which are regarded as the best pin block material. Heller bass strings, German bass strings. What a sound! You hear that bass? It's incredible, isn't it? I'm going to play some more for you and then tell you more about the action, things like that, which is also all rebuilt. But now let's just have a little bit of Mozart. This is the K332, the second movement. I'm going to play a little bit of that too. You hear the lyricism this piano has. And it's a really captivating tone that I've never heard out of any Steinway Concert Grand. Listen to the sound. And the action like velvet, all rebuilt, you know, all the parts, and Renner hammers like you find on Hamburg Steinway. What a rich tone. Let's have it open up with just a little intersection of Chopin's Ballade in G minor. So you hear the range from the subtlety of Mozart to the big opening of Chopin. This piano really has got a captivating sound, doesn't it? I'm interested in your opinion of the Centennial Edition Steinway 9-foot Concert Grand Model D, gorgeous case, magnificently restored in 2018, originally built in 1880. Can you believe it? A piece of history, original soundboard with such remarkable sound, isn't it? Once again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is Living Pianos, your online piano store. Thanks so much. so much for joining me.